Tatambay pala si CC Travel. Thank you so much, guys. Mona Lisa, maraming salamat, sis. Kuha na lang ko isang video. Bawat isa sa inyo. Apple natin. Yan. Ang gagawin ko nito ay halo ko dito sa aking cereal. Halo natin yan sa ating cereal, guys. SEC TV, Miguel shoutout. Hello, my friend. Good morning, my friend. Also, is eating breakfast first. Muna tayo, guys. Thank you so much for dropping by SEC TV. I will watch later your video as SEC TV. Later, after I finish my breakfast, and then I will watch your video, okay? I will put it in my watch later. Para po watch natin yan. And some share din. Guys. Diba? Nakalampas na pala tayo ng 30 minutes. Gawin na lang natin yan. 45 minutes. Yan, guys. Yan, apple. Mix sa ating cereals. Finish na itong ating coffee. Okay. Ayan. So, haluin natin yan sa ating cereal. Ayan. Thank you so much, Kuya Nars, Master GR, Lucy Warner Worlds, Mona Lisa, Missy TV, Travel Estonia, Angela, Javelino. Thank you so much, guys, sa pag-stay nyo dyan sa akin. Naka 36 minutes na tayo, guys.